Hello everyone, big welcome. Here is Patricia Missakian and I'm very happy to be here with you. Open the energies for the week so that you can enter this week aligned, present, centered, and making sure that you are embracing the way of being of the person that creates the reality that you desire to experience in your life. And you may be see me looking to both places. I have Facebook and YouTube over here, and I have Instagram over here. So if I'm not looking directly at you, I want to invite you to feel loved. I love you and very happy to be here with you. Just sometimes it's hard to keep my eye in both places. So big welcome. For those of you that are new here in our community, every Sunday, we join together to help you to release what is holding you back, to step in your power and embrace all parts of yourself and what you're really here to do so you can continue moving forward, taking actions with the right alignment in your life. And it's an honor to be here every Sunday with this gift for you, for me, and for all of us, because when we change, those around us also change. So when you get here, make sure to say hello. Let me know that you're here. Let me know your name. I'm using, if you are on Facebook or YouTube, I'm using Streamline, so it does not give me your name. So make sure to say your name, even though your name shows up sometimes on Facebook. Here, I cannot see you. So it would be nice to know who I'm talking with so I can address you. And we are going to go, and so good to see you guys here. We are going to go to use also both my Oracle decks, Sacred Crystal Codes, and Akashic Crown Messengers. So what we do, we first release what is holding us back, that connected to our memories. And being able to work with the Akashic Records, I know how powerful this can be for you when you join me every Sunday and we release what is no longer serve you, which most of the time are your own interpretations of what you think about yourself, what you think about others, and what you think that is behind the actions from others. So it's never, most people, they sabotage themselves because they assume what other people, the reason behind what the people are doing, what they're doing, and most of the time has nothing to do with what you think. So here we let go of that and we come back to your center to focus on what is really important for you to move forward in your life. And that's why these Sundays are very precious. Make sure to come on live when we go live, or just always set on your calendar to Sunday, go look for this video, because I know it's going to make all the difference for you. All right, so now I already drew the card for this week. I wanted to just make a little announcement. Those of you, so good to see you guys here. Welcome. Beautiful. Those of you that are here live, I want to invite you, and also if you're not here live, if you're watching the replay, you are invited also. Tomorrow, we start another round with the Energetic Business Breakthrough, a powerful 5-day workshop to help you align with your unique gifts, show up more powerfully in your market, attract your ideal clients, and much more. It is a beautiful treat that oftentimes I have for you, and we go all in for you. Me and my team are already supporting you. Thank you for finding my team message and connecting with them, because when you have a conversation with my team and you tell me what it is that you need and what it is that is not working for you, we can bring that in the healing sessions for you, and that's what is very, very powerful. So if you already joined our group, Energetic Business Breakthrough, make sure to look for the hidden messages. You're going to find on your Facebook, I think it's called message requests. Most of the time people don't know there are a lot of messages there, but look for the message from my team. You're going to find that my team always have behind their name Akasha team. Those are my team members. And make sure to look for their message, because number one, they're going to have the workbook for you, and number two, they are going to be asking you questions that is going to help me to massage the workshop and the bonus days for exactly what you need. And cannot wait for the second round. I know it's going to be very, very powerful for you. Also here in this video, if you are on Instagram, it's right on top on my name. On the link tree, you can find the link so you can join us for Energetic Business Breakthrough. It happens only on Facebook. So starts tomorrow, 9 a.m. Pacific, for everyone that is in. If you're here live, let me know, hashtag I'm in, so I can give a shout out for you. And if you are watching the replay, also let me know I'm in. I will make sure to come on over and comment on you. And also, if you're not there yet and you need help, just put hashtag where is it. So hashtag what is it, or hashtag I'm in, so I know that you're in. And I see Nick is here, Nick is there. Who else is there already inside the group? Say hello and let me know. So it may be that there is a little bit of delay in the comments, and I wanted to make sure that we have a zip zap time for you so this video doesn't get too big. So let's get started. I want to invite you to take a moment, close your eyes, bring your attention to your heart, the window of your soul, and take a moment for express your gratitude for your heart, for this moment in life where you can make a change, where we can take your power back, your focus back, and shift what is not in alignment so you can continue creating your future in alignment with your mission. So with that, I want to invite you to open your first chakra and ground to the center of the earth. We're going to invite your higher self to come to the top of your head. Take a moment to smile, receive your old wise self saying hello back to you, showering you with unconditional love. The healing guides are here, and they are coming to you when you listen to this session. No matter if it's live or if it's the replay, you're always supported when you are in this high vibration group. And so now, we are going to invite your higher self to open up your Akashic memories from any triggers, any interpretation that you made that is holding you back, any feelings you may be holding towards yourself or others, any judgments, whatever that is. And once you get present with the energy, you start the shifting process. It's almost like if you don't, and that's what most people do, they just shovel down in the body, but not you, because you are creating the space to be present with whatever it is that is trying to call your attention, and up until now have not received it. So all you need to do is to be present in your body. You may want to repeat the Ho'oponopono words with me, and these words have the power to shift how you're holding yourself or others in your life. Just notice what you notice if you are aware of the messages, knowing that your conscious mind may not be there yet, but the intelligence of your body is receiving, experiencing, and shifting everything that it needs at this moment. So without further ado, let's start the process. As your higher self open up your Akashic memories so that the intelligence of your body can release, let go, surrender, and heal what is here to receive. We're going to hold the space for you and others in touch with you, repeating the Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let the words move through your timeline, healing, shifting, letting go and creating space for a deeper alignment with who you are and what you're here to do without looking back, yet embracing the present so you can create your future. Taking a nice deep breath, and as you feel lighter, imagine that in front of you it's a beautiful golden tunnel. Give yourself permission to enter this tunnel. Noticing that as you feel lighter, this golden vibration starts shifting your energy, how you feel about yourself, and especially what you think is possible. Receiving the upgrade, shifting, and creating space. And now I want to invite you to connect with your desire. Think about the version of yourself, your future self, that right now it's experiencing exactly what you know in your heart that is here for you to experience. Take a moment to notice everything about this future version of you is experiencing the place. How do you feel? How do you look? Who is around you? And especially, what is the identity that is most calling your attention, that got you here? Is the way of being more focused? Is the way of being more compassionate? Is the way of being more present? What is for you? Look for that. Now, when you find that identity, I want you to touch your heart and call in. Make a commitment with yourself to be that today. Not, you don't have to wait, but start embracing. How would it be to be more focused? How would it be to be more committed? How would it be to be more present? Whatever this is for you. So anchor that in your heart and connect and make a choice to what it is that you're going to do this week, what actions, what it is that needs to be shifted, what you need to learn in order to create that reality. Beautiful. And now when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And I'm going to share with you. First, I'm going to share with you the Akashic Realm Messenger. Let's make sure it's showing up in both videos here. Yep, it is. Beautiful. Oh, there you go. It's so hard. Hello, hello. Good to see you guys here. All right. So, from my Oracle deck, the Akashic Realm Messenger, we have the beautiful gift of Zain this week. And Zain is the Akashic Realm Messenger, the guide of hope. He aims to bring love in the form of golden light to illuminate the path and show the way to the end of the tunnel. He connects you with the strength and the faith to continue moving forward in your life. He infuses you with the power to believe new moments are ahead. And his particular message to you is: hope has the power to warm your heart that has grown maybe hard or cold as you experience difficulties through life. You can achieve much more when you let hope bloom in your heart. A hopeful attitude moved by faith allows true miracles to occur. So this is a powerful message, and it's going to support you in continue moving forward. Sometimes you may notice yourself, blaming yourself or saying, why can't happen? It haven't happened yet. And the one thing that I learned in my story, and I'm actually going to share more in depth inside Energetic Business Breakthrough, is that the energy that you hold, and that's why every Sunday we are here working on the way of being, the energy that you hold throughout the actions that you take is what's going to make that shortcut, it's going to make that jump faster for you. But it's very important that you also are always, at the same time that you are taking the actions, you're also going back to your vision. It's the vision and the action. As you move into your vision, you're moving into your actions, and both of them together are going to take you very further. So this is the message for Zain for us for this week. And from my other oracle deck, the Sacred Crystal Codes, we have the Antakananda Sacred Crystal Code Grid. The Antakananda is a sacred geometry that has its own consciousness. This grid bridges and connects your physical brain to your higher self. And when you meditate on with this grid, it begins to work immediately within your aura and affects all your upper chakras to bring you what you need at this moment. So it's a very powerful grid, and for those of you that are looking to that deeper connection to your intuition, that is, the way that I see that is always a next step that you can take. Those that think already know it all and stop learning are the ones that stay behind, right? So whenever you go into a experience, when you get out of the way of what you think you know, you are able to absorb and receive and learn so much more. So this oracle comes into your life to invite you to initiate or strengthen your connection to your higher self. It always shows up to invite you to take the relationship to a deeper level. It also comes to bring deeper awareness of the power of your higher self in your life. If you already work with your higher self, this oracle comes to invite you with the message that it's time to take the relationship to a higher level. And those of you that never work with your higher self is your spiritual self, a bigger part of your soul that knows more than your physical body knows, right? And it has the memories of your Akashic records, past, present, and future, and can be your best advisor and supporter in all situations. Inside any program you do with me, the first thing you do is to go deeper into that relationship with your higher self. Not only we have journeys that allow you to connect with your higher self, but a lot of healings and clearings to clear what, the agreements and unconscious agreements that are holding yourself for taking that relationship to a deeper connection. It doesn't matter what we do. If you're learning Akashic Records, if you're learning how to make intuitive decisions in your business, your first step is to make that relationship with your higher self deeper and start, developing your intuition. Is so, so important. So I love that this week we have both Zaim and the Antakananda Grid to support us in this new beginning. So I am so excited to see some of you. So now I'm going to come in and check it out. So let me know if you're already inside the Energetic Business Breakthrough groups. Just let me know, #I'm in. And if you're not, just say, learn more. I want to #learn more so I know that you need support to find where the group is. And we start tomorrow, 9 a.m., 5 days of powerful learning, not only learning, expanding, and powerful healing sessions created for you. I cannot wait for you to experience and for me to get to know you a little more throughout the week. Have a beautiful day, everyone, and I'm looking forward to see you soon. Bye-bye. Learn more. Okay, I will send you a message, and I will see if I can. I don't know how to do this in Instagram. We're gonna figure that out. But also, if you click on my profile, Akashic Records Institute here in the Instagram, click on my link tree, and the link is gonna be right there on top. But I will try to help you right now. All right, take care, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.